I'd like to thank Fasteners for sponsoring this video. If you'd like to also sponsor me on Patreon, there's a link in the description, and please comment, like, and subscribe as much as possible. If we get over 20 million likes, I will, of course, restore a screw. It's a little more difficult, but I'm sure we can get it done in an appropriate amount of time. Thank you for watching. Later.